Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to set up a BigCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official BigCommerce website right here, bigcommerce.com if you're not already. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So this is the home page right here from which we can get started. In the main page, we have two options we can now do. If you're an enterprise, you're going to go and be entering the enterprise section right here, from which you can get started exploring the platform, getting up and taking a look at the pricing and requesting a demo if you wish. By clicking the request demo option in the top right corner, it's going to enable you to create an account if you do not already have one, to go ahead and set up your store and get a demo to see how the platform looks. If you're a small business, you can click the small business section right here at the top of the screen. That's going to enable you to start a free trial. So by clicking the start free trial option as well, you can go ahead and set up an account, log in, and with that you can get started creating your store and setting up your free trial for your store to test out how BigCommerce works. And now you can get started. So basically, once you have logged in and you have opened up the dashboard, now we can get started. So what I suggest you do is to take a look at an article like this one, where it shows us the tutorial for beginners of BigCommerce. Here it can show us all the steps we need to do, such as creating a BigCommerce account, as I have just showed you right here, and you set up your info, after which we can get started setting up our BigCommerce store profile. You can enter in your store name, store address, and so on to set up your store, and after that we can get started setting up our store, customizing it, adding products, orders, and so on. All the info that we need for our store, selecting the theme, adding a products, adding contact pages and blog. All of that is going to be doable from the dashboard right here. This is the dashboard that you're going to be able to access once you open up BigCommerce and log into your account. Then you can go and manage your products, your orders, your settings of your store, and so on. All of that is available from there, so go ahead and follow the steps for yourself or explore the dashboard with yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.